Beautiful night.
Yeah, nice
more
night.
of this.
Yeah, a lot of folks out enjoying South by Southwest stuff. You know, good payback. Just about a week ago, we had such cold and wet weather.
It started rough.
We're going to get back to the wet, though, but not the cold over the next couple of days. We've got a big storm system out west that is starting to slowly impact our weather, but not too much tonight yet. We still got a very humid night outside. Beautiful looking shot towards the Capitol. Temperatures right now sitting at 72. Still that southeast breeze, rather breezy at 12 miles an hour, and humidity is climbing at 76%. Readings across the area generally are in the lower 70s this evening, the exception being out in Fredericksburg at 68. We're at 70 currently in Lakeway. Now, we've had a lot of moisture moving across our area all week long. Good deal of cloud cover, some thicker clouds from the south and west. And you watch as these kind of blossom and moved across the state through the day today. We're also starting to watch a few showers and thunderstorms developing over the mountains in Mexico tonight. Most of that activity is going to kind of just trail off towards the east, although we may see one or two little sprinkles developing. These may actually be able to hit the ground late tonight across our area, so I wouldn't be surprised to see something. Not expecting more than maybe a couple hundredths of an inch of rain at best. The reason we're seeing the thunderstorms over the mountains in Mexico, the last couple of days we've been talking about all this moisture that we have in place. Well, we need a lifting mechanism of some sort to kind of get it to collect together and then eventually fall back down to the ground as moisture. And it was you get this moisture kind of riding over the higher elevations. The elevation or the ground itself actually acts as a lifting mechanism, and that's why we've got some of these showers and the thunderstorms down towards the south and west. But as we head through the rest of the weekend into the start of next work week, we're going to see a better lifting mechanism, a big upper level low out west that's going to be moving into our backyard, and that's really going to increase the chances of rain and thunderstorms. So tonight, future clouds and rain showing clouds across the area. We'll pick up a couple of light sprinkles overnight into the morning, nothing heavy expected. But you will notice as we head through the afternoon tomorrow, future clouds and rain around 4 o'clock, puts a little shower right over the Austin area, maybe a thunderstorm. We're just going to call it isolated to scattered at best. That'll kind of move off throughout the area by the evening hours, so we'll call for a brief shower possible tomorrow afternoon. And then on Monday, we're going to be watching as a better developed line of showers and thunderstorms develops along the dry line out west that begins to move east through the day on Monday, and that's going to increase our rain chances, I think, mainly after lunchtime on Monday and then especially Monday night into Tuesday. Now, the Storm Prediction Center has also put our area under a risk of seeing some strong to severe weather Monday night and Tuesday, with the main threats being, of course, heavy rainfall, gusty winds, hail is possible, and also a few isolated weak tornadoes would not be out of the question, something we'll be keeping our eyes on closely. That and the heavy rainfall, because rainfall estimates are forecasted to be pretty heavy in some spots. Now, the lighter spots are going to be out far west in the hill country, about an inch or so in parts of Mason County. We're also going to see 1 to 2 inch areas out in the hill country and off towards the far east as well. Although if we get a couple of these little showers to stream off the Gulf of Mexico, that could actually increase these numbers out east. But you notice the target zone right along the I-35 corridor, including us here in Austin, forecasted anywhere from about 2 to 2.5 inches of rain and possibly upwards of 3+ inches of rain up into Williamson and Milam counties, including Round Rock and Georgetown. So something we'll be watching very closely as we head through the next couple of days. The bulk of this moisture doesn't really begin, though, until Monday. I think the little showers we see tomorrow aren't going to amount to more than maybe 1/10 to 1/4 of an inch of rain. So tonight, expecting 67 for the overnight low. We'll see a good deal of cloud cover across the area. And then tomorrow, we'll get up to 81. A little bit warmer than today, but we are going to see an isolated shower or thunderstorm in the afternoon. We'll see rain chances really ramping up on Monday, as we'll see a high temperature right around 79, only climbing to 70 with rain ending by the afternoon hours on Tuesday. That is the first day of spring. And then on Wednesday and Thursday, we see drier and cooler air moving in. Morning lows, that's a good sleeping weather. Upper 40s both mornings, mid to upper 70s in the afternoon. And then we will get back into the 80s as we head into the first weekend of spring.